jump. No, I'm not jumping. You're gonna make me fall.
No, he's not.
What if I do it the other way? And then I sit on your shoulders. I'm gonna sit on your shoulders. Okay?
Do like slowly lift yourself down like this. Hold on, just slowly. Then you drop it.
No, we got somebody to start here and grab my legs without coming down.
Okay.
Come on, Lori!
Come on, Eric.
I'm coming! No, don't grab my leg! Catch me!
Well, it's better if you grab your leg so you won't fall.
Ah!
We got